So what should that video be about?
This. I'm filming.
Yeah, that's B-roll. No, but that's it. It's actually quite hard to come up with interesting content for all these videos, especially if they're like if nothing much happens. You know, it's quite cool how other YouTubes, you know, they can come up every week with a cool adventure.
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily, but it is difficult. So today actually and yesterday the weather has been really nice. It melted the last bits of snow remaining. I mean, the mountain still has 2 meters of snow, so that's where we're gonna go tomorrow to do some.
Sorry, Kai just had to sit on me. There you go.
To do some skiing. And yeah, we just wanted you to show you how versatile the weather can be in Greece. Like, yes, it can snow like last time and create like a scene like summer in Norway or like a blizzard scene, and then 3 days, 4 days later, sun is shining and the almond trees have started to blossom. Isn't it blossom?
Blossom through.
Yeah, and meanwhile, yeah, we're getting stressed and to get the boat ready to source all the spare parts we need. Like, we need new through holes and some paints to see what we're gonna do with the anti-fouling. Prepare, order, and now Pernille is coming up with new jobs, like we want to varnish the table, the steering wheel.
Right, the wheel was you.
Yeah.
And the table was me because it's starting to fall apart and it's quite a nice table, so I really want to save it.
Yeah, so the more you think about it, the more projects come up, and we need to get started. We need to see if we can get a spot in the boatyard. We want to take her out for the entire March, hopefully, hoping that the weather will allow us to work on her. The skeptic behind this is that, yeah, we're gonna be ready in April to sail, but also hopefully most people won't put their boat in before April. So we want to kind of scoop after them and before them out again in the boatyard.
Yeah, I understood what you said, but I don't think... What? Never mind. It didn't...
Yeah, it's a bit like last in...
yeah, you want to be last in, first out. Can you just say that?
Yeah, last in... Lifo. No.
What are you saying?
There's a meaning for it in the computer language. Last in, first out. Lifo.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, it's a storage system. Also on computers, but apparently also on boatyard.
Nerd.
There's also FIFO. First in, last out. FILO. FIFO. First in, first out.
You want to talk a bit more about that?
FIFO and LIFO.
Excuse Kai.
The nerds among you will know. Yeah, basic programming. Pernille wouldn't understand a thing about that.
No, I'm happy to report I wouldn't. I know better things. I have other priorities in life.
Yeah, it's nice. No, and yeah, we needed to go to the boat to air her out. She was getting a bit of a moist smell from all our wet things from last week's sail. And yeah, Pernille is really happy doing some to-do lists. Yeah. We are getting there.
It's better to write it down than you constantly telling me like I am a walking to-do list.
Yeah. We're getting there. only gonna have 2 more weeks of sailing, perhaps, or 2 more sailing weeks of sailing videos. So if you have any idea what you would like us to film about, or maybe you have a place here in the Gulf of Wallis that you would like us to explore for you, drop us a comment, and perhaps we're nice enough and we can actually try it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
How much I need you, 'cause you're my home.